Hey guys, so here's how you're going to share your Ko-fi donation link and receive donations from Ko-fi. So the first thing that you're going to do is to head over to ko-fi.com, and once you arrive in this page, click on Get Started or Sign Up for Free at the top right corner. Once you arrive in this page, create a display name. Let's do something like Shelly Berry for mine, and then add your email address at the second line. Next is to choose or create a password. Just make sure that you create a password that you can easily remember. Now click or check this box right here that you accept the terms and have read the privacy policy, and then create your account. Click on create my account. You can also sign up with Twitter, Google, Facebook, or Twitch, depending on which account you want to connect with Ko-fi. If you already have an account, you can just simply click on this login button right here. Now I'm just going to click on create my account since I am a newbie in Ko-fi. Now it's going to ask you several questions like what is the reason that you're using Ko-fi. You can click on make money on Ko-fi if you are a creator and want to make money, or if you want to support other creators and help them do what they love. So for me, I'm just going to click on make money on Ko-fi. Now it's going to ask you how are you planning to earn. You can check receive donations or tips, build monthly memberships income, sell products, offer commissions or services. In our case, I'm going to click on receive donations or tips because we want to receive donations on this account. Now, after selecting that, click on continue. Next is we're going to pick a username. Take note that this is how your link is going to look like when you share it to others, but you don't have to take this very seriously now if you can't think of anything yet because you can change it anytime. For now, let's settle with Shelly Berry 38956 and then click on next. But of course, you can change that according to how you want it to look like again. You can also choose an image if you want, but I'm going to skip this for now and just click on next, but you can change this anytime as well. Now we're going to choose our interests. You can just choose whatever piques your interest among all of these. So I'm just going to say maybe lifestyle. You can definitely create anything that you want from here and then click on next. Now you're going to create a display name, but since we already have created that earlier, we can skip that because we automatically have a display name added right here. You can also create a bio, but you can skip this if you can't think of anything as of the moment yet, and then click on next once you're done. Now just wait for it to create your account. Now it's going to confirm your email. So as you can see here, we have a verification code ready. If you didn't get an email, you can just tap on resend anytime. Now your page has been created. As you can see here, this is our username. This is currently the username that we were using, ShellyBerry38956. You can again personalize and share it and hit OK. Now, if you want to start earning, you can also connect it to a payment method to get started. So I suggest that you set it up right away, although you have the option to set it up later. But again, it is very much recommended that you already connect your Ko-fi to a payment account so that you don't have to think about this later on and just keep focusing on posting and selling your digital products. But for now, I'm just going to click on I'll try later. Now, once all that setting up is done, you will arrive at your dashboard or your personal account. You can see here, this is your Ko-fi link. So in order for you to share this, what you're going to do is simply just copy this, highlight this one, and then click on copy. And in order for you to receive payments or receive donations to your Ko-fi account, what you're going to do is to paste this on your social media accounts. You can paste it on your TikTok bio, Instagram bio, TikTok bio, or you can also share it on your Facebook account, or you can also send it as a message. But all in all, it is a pretty simple process. Basically, all you have to do is to just really set up an account and be sure that you set it up according to your interests, because this is also going to help you drive traffic on your page. If you want to receive more donations, if you want to drive more donations, you can also set this up by posting something on your feed, or by setting up a better bio, or by adding a goal right here. You can also set an intro video or a page intro, but all of these are just steps on how you can drive more donations into your account. But the real deal is by posting this link or by adding it to several social media accounts. And that is how you share your Ko-fi link and receive donations on your Ko-fi account.